Let's continue, guys, and let's talk with the specs of this projector. We have the optimized gameplay with 1440p resolution at 120 Hz refresh rate. So this is why it's important, that port that we show onto the back of the this projector, who is in a collaboration with Xbox. It has 3500 lumens that are keep continuously on the entire lamp life on lasers. I will tell you, even as a professional photographer, how is the picture quality. I have an eye for this. I'm filming over 18 years now, so I think this 3000 lumens versus the 3000 lumens to a lamp projector will be higher. I don't know why I'm saying this, I didn't test it, but in my research and informations, I hope I will be right. I think these lumens will be higher at the brightness of the image. And you can use this projector even in bright rooms. We'll see when we'll get to the chapter of testing it. I will tell you the differences. You can make screens up to 300 inch. You can control your projector, so this projector can control, according to Viewsonic, with your Xbox controller, with your voice. I don't know how you can do this, but it appears that you can use your Xbox controller to control it with your voice. I don't know exactly how, what do you have to control. You will make all the settings, realistically talking, yeah? You will do all the settings to the projector and turn it on and turn it off. All the users look for the video quality. The large image, the video quality, the quality of the image, and that's it. It has 4.2 milliseconds rapid fire input with 240 Hz refresh rate, and you can stream in cinematic 4K HDR resolution. The resolution is 3840 by 2160, you know, the 4K resolution, the basic 4K resolution. The flow ratio is 1.06 to 1.45. The keystone, you have vertical plus minus 30 degrees and horizontal plus minus 40 degrees. The lens, it's interesting, it has more 0.6, so this one has 1.36x manual optic zoom, comparing to PX748 that has 1.30, but both of them are good. The light source in normal, it has 20,000 hours. The light source life in dynamic mode, dynamic echo mode, has 30,000 hours. I hope this one will be 30,000 hours, because you know, in the lamp are not like this. The manufacturer saying the ideal conditions, lab testing it, but in normal life you have to cut some of that hours. I hope this laser will be is different, but I hope in the lamp life will be as accurate, and you will not have problems. Like I told you, in the 4000 hours I had problems with flickering in the 748, in the PX748. The color dip is 1.05 billion colors. So we have a comparison of Optoma lamp projector with Viewsonic lamp projector. You can check out on our videos that Optoma says it has 1 million, 2 million, 3 million ratio contrast, and the Viewsonic says the truth, and they tell us 12,000 or 50,000 contrast ratio. You realize that it's not possible. Some manufacturers like to exaggerate over the limit, you know, with this dynamic contrast ratio. So the port, I told you, the USB type 2.0, you can put a Chromecast into the back. You can put a Chromecast, or you can put a dongle to stream directly from your phone. It has this USB that you can use it until 1.5 amps, that I think it's enough. It consumes 180 watts, that is very good. It's instantly on off, and this is also good. Standby 0.5 watts power consumption, which is good. The temperature is between 0 and 40 degrees, guys. Be careful where you use it, and it's preferred do not use it outside. It will get a lot of, I took some projectors outside and it took, guys, a lot of dust. The net weight is 3.3 kilograms. The gross weight is 4.7 kilograms. The dimensions are 286 millimeters by 260 by 129 millimeters. The warranty of Viewsonic is 3-year limited warranty on parts and labor, 1-year limited warranty on the light source or the lamp, and 1-year free express exchange service. I don't know exactly what this is. 1-year express exchange service required product registration. I think it will give us a 1 extra year if you register your product on the Viewsonic. I look forward for this. I didn't tell you the 4K has 60 Hz refresh rate at the resolution 1440p. It's 120 Hz, and the resolution 1080p it has 240 Hz. Please notice this. Now I will put directly to the wall, guys. I will not stay much longer and will turn on the projector and talk further.